Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this very interesting recipe for you. I'm making pitimi. It's called sorghum in English, sorghum grains. It's considered a poor man's food back home, but this dish be slapping. It's smacking. It's bomb. It's so delicious. Like it's just like my mule cornmeal. It's just so bomb. So let's get to the recipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by frying my epis. I am frying 2 tablespoons of epis on a medium high heat. You're gonna let it get toasty for about 30 seconds, and once that it gets toasty, go ahead and add the beans. I use dry beans, 2 cups of 1.5 cup of dry beans, red kidney beans that I used. I boil it for an hour. So I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon powder, 1 teaspoon of adobo Goya seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of this Badia complete seasoning. So we're gonna go ahead and stir it and let this fry for a little bit. I like to let the beans fry for 30 to 45 seconds or maybe a minute. And then I'm gonna go ahead and now add my coconut. I'm using 2 different kinds. I'm using this creamed coconut, and I'm also using coconut milk. So I'm only adding half of the creamed coconut, not the whole thing. And then I'm using also coconut milk. I'm adding 1 can of coconut milk, leche de coco, lait coco. And I'm also adding some shrimp skin. I don't know if you'll be able to find that. Amazon does have it. You could get it on Amazon. I'll post it on my Amazon storefront. And I'm adding 2 tablespoons of shrimp skin. This gives this dish a very mysterious flavor. Like if you're not used to it, you won't know it. You won't know what it is. You won't be able to guess what it is, you know? It's so yummy. So yeah, go ahead and add that. And if you can't find it, that's also fine. Just stick with the coconut. So I'm adding the leftover water, the remaining liquids from the cooked beans. Like I said, I used dry beans. I didn't use canned beans. We don't use canned beans in this house when making this kind of dishes. So I added my water, 7 cups of water, because I am cooking 3 cups of sorghum. And sorghum and my moulin, the water ratio is similar. It's not like rice. You have to add a lot of water. So I added my red bell pepper and my cloves that I stick onto the red bell pepper. I will leave all the ingredients in the description box. So I added my parsley and my fresh thyme, of course. And this is it right there. It's easy to find. A lot of stores has it, and you'll find it on Amazon also. Like I said, I will leave those in my Amazon storefront if you want to check it out, and you can purchase it from there. So once my water is boiled, I've rinsed my pitimi sorghum, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the water. Make sure you taste the water so you can adjust the seasonings. You know, we all have different taste buds, and some of us like salt more than the other, and you shouldn't like salt like that because high blood pressure. So go ahead and add the grains to the water. Guys, let me tell you, I don't know, as a kid, a lot of kids don't like this type of dishes. I don't know why. I mean, I guess I kind of know why, but these dishes be so bomb. When you get, the older you get, and you're like, why the hell did I not like this, you know? It's like, it's so bomb. I've always liked my and pitimi. I've always liked them. So yeah, but oh my god, these dishes be so bomb. But this is one of the dishes that you have to eat when it's hot. Honestly, it's not the best when it's cold. Like right when it's hot like that, you know, it's best. I mean, it's okay if you warm it up in the microwave the next day. I guess it's fine too, but it's perfect when it's just hot right from the pot with some avocado. Oh my god. So after you've added your pitimi to the water, go ahead and stir it on medium high heat still. And then you give it a stir. Once the water starts to reduce, you're gonna go ahead and lower your heat to medium low and let it cook slowly for 45 minutes. It takes some time to cook, okay? This type of dish takes some time, especially if you're using dry beans. The dry beans take a long time also to cook. I cooked my beans for about 45 minutes. I didn't let it get too mushy because, like I said, I'm not making sauce pois, so you don't want it to get too mushy. And then the pitimi itself takes about an hour too, for it to be really really good. It's well done. It's cooked perfectly. So once the water is like that, it should be on medium, on low heat. Once the water reduced like that, there's barely any water left, you should reduce your heat on low heat and let it just simmer for the remaining of 15 minutes. You guys, let me tell you, this dish, it's so delicious. It's like the bomb. It's so good. And I'm using a regular metal spoon. A wooden spoon is best to use for it. So it was in my house, so my mother didn't have a wooden spoon, which is weird. I have a lot of wooden spoons, especially when you're cooking dishes like that, like my moulin and pitimi. You need a wooden spoon. So like that, you guys, it's almost done, about done. So about another 10 minutes, it will be good. So overall, it took an hour to be fully cooked. So you cook it on medium high heat at the beginning, and then you reduce the heat to low, medium low. And then after that, the remaining 10 to 15 minutes, you lower your heat to low and let it just simmer like that. It's just simmering like that. And it's pretty much, I said pretty much, what the fuck? I can't even speak, you guys. I'm so exhausted from my trip. Anyways, you guys, this is the dish right now. This is it simmering. It's pretty much done. It looks so delicious. This is the perfect way to eat it. You eat it with some avocado. I love it like that. I don't like any sauce with it. Personally, I enjoy it just like that with some avocado or no avocado at all. I just enjoy it just like that. It's just so bomb. The beans was cooked perfectly. The beans weren't too mushy. Like I felt the beans when I chew on them. I felt them, you know. This is an up close and personal shot. Look at this, you guys. When I tell you this dish is so bomb, you gotta try it. You either gonna love it or hate it. There's no in between. And this is the final product, you guys. This is it. You see, it looks so good. And this is better than rice. People don't like it. I don't know why, but this is very nutritious dish. It's way better than rice. It's gluten-free, has a lot of fiber, low in calories. It's really good dish, you know. Substitute it to your rice. Instead of eating rice, just eat that one instead. It's so much healthier. It has a lot of health benefits. This is the final product, you guys. See how good it looks? It's so bomb and so healthy. And I'm honestly gonna start eating this more now. I love it. I love pitimi and mai moulin. Just look up for me. If I had to choose between pitimi and mai moulin, I would not choose. I would not choose. But yeah, because I love both. So if you guys like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button for more videos, and also hit the bell notification so you can always get a notification when I upload a new video. And this is the final product, you guys. It's so delicious. Like I said, it's, oh my god, I don't even know. I don't want to I'm not forcing it, you know, because some people really don't like it, and it's too bad for them, honestly, because it's such a good carbs. It's like great carbs. And yeah, this is the final product. I served it with some stewed chicken. This is it right there. And excuse the fly that's gonna fly over my food. Freaking fly, they have no manners. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you give it a thumbs up. And well, I do hope you give it a thumbs up, and I do hope you try it. And as always, thank you for watching.